Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I will talk about a 1.6 scale figure that represents an American Army nurse from the Second World War. Here is the American nurse. This is an old figure. I don't know exactly when it was produced and marketed, but I have this example that came from the United States of America. The figure has difficulty standing without falling, so I have to use a stand. This figure was given to me by my American friend Patricia. Her uniform is quite detailed, as you can see. It even has the lining inside the cover. The legs and body are perfectly articulated, but contrary to what is usual in this type of figures, the legs have the color of the tights and the feet are directly articulated in the shoes, just like they are on the knees. The hands are much better than the early dragon female figures. The head, despite not being very realistic by today's standards, is old-fashioned. Even so, it looks good because it evokes that era. I really like this figure and it looks great in my collection. This is her original box. You can and should pause the video to read the descriptions written on the box. On the box there is an image showing other figures from the same series and from the same manufacturer, all focused on the excellent contribution made by women in the Second World War and which should never be ignored. And this was the video. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribing and liking is free, so I won't charge for it, but it helps me a lot.